Hi everyone, welcome to another quick session, another random topic for the CISSP exam. So X start 509 certificate. So you may see one question related to this topic. So have a let's get started and try to understand. So standard format for digital certificates used in PKI public key infrastructure, commonly used in SSL, TLS, HTTPS, VPNs, email security, digital signature. So structure version 3 is most common. Serial number is a unique ID. Signature algorithm hash plus encryption. House cert is assigned. Issuer means certificate authority that issued it, subject who the certificate is issued to, website, organization, person. Public key info, the subject, public key plus algorithm. Validity period, start and expiry dates. Extensions, SAN. mm, uh, Subject alternative, name, multiple domains, key usage. Digital signatures, CA proves that cert is valid. So exam trick, if you see what ensures trust is X.509. So answer is CA digital signature. So if we talk about life cycle, so request CSR certificate signing request, issue CA signs and issue the certificate, use for authentication, encryption and signing. Expiration, renewal cert, expires, must be renewed. Revocation, if compromised, revoked via CRL certificate revocation list or OCSP online certificate status protocol. So, exam tip is X509 PKI certificate standard. Trust comes from CA digital signature. Life cycle includes request, issue, use, expire, revoke. Revocation, CRL, offline or OCSP online. So it could be done, revocation can be done offline. So you have you can download all the, you can download the revocation list offline, and also you can check it using OCSP online real time. So that protocol could be used. One liner to memorize is X509, the digital passport for identifies, signed by CA with life cycle from request to revocation. So some other point, important certificate types for CISSP: route certificate, the top level certificate in PKI issued by trusted certificate authority. Signs immediate certificate, example TGCert. These are the companies, those who are authorities, um, those who issue trusted certificates. Root CA, if the root is compromised, entire trust chain breaks. So intermediate certificate issued by root CA used to sign and entity certificates, creates a chain of a trust. Adds security. Root CA is rarely exposed. So wildcard certificates secure a domain and all subdomains. Example star, for instance, example.com covers mail. If we write, let's say, star dot example dot com, it covers, it can cover mail dot example dot com, VPN example dot com. So why, if we talk about wild card, so wild card means wild card certificate. So secure a domain and all subdomains. So the main domain and all other subdomains, right? So if we say SAN subject, subject alternative name, so can secure multiple different domains, right? For example, example.com, example.org, example.net, multiple domain names in one set. So another is wildcard under one domain, under one domain could cover multiple subdomains, but here multiple different domains as SAN. So we need to keep in mind. Self-signed certificate signed by the same entity that uses it, not by CA, common internal systems or testing. So not trusted externally, vulnerable uh, unless mutually trusted, right? So self-signed certificate. Code signing certificate used by developer to digitally sign software, ensure code integrity and authenticity. Microsoft Windows updates, right? And machine device certificate. So machine device certificate used to authenticate devices, for example, IoT, Internet of Things, VPN, client network equipment, email. A certificate secure email with encryption plus digital signature. So user certificate used for authentication, for example, smart cards, digital ID badges. So now let me conclude what we have discussed. Root, trust anchor, intermediate, chain of trust. Wildcard, all subdomains. SAN, multiple domains. Self-signed, internally only, not trusted by browsers. Code signing, software integrity, authenticity. SMIME, email security. So root, build, trust, intermediate, links, trust, wildcard. Root, build, trust, intermediate, links, trust, wildcard, spreads trust, SAN, shares trust, self-signed, fakes trust. So So that is one type of certificate, but there is another type of certificate is X.500. It is directory standard that X.509 is based on. So define naming convention, DN, distinguished names, right? Example.com. Uh, so that is in fact, so just we need to keep in mind if we see X.500 is directory roots. It is for directory standards, let's say. I do not want to go into detail that might create more confusion. So, but X.500 or X.500, 509, X500 is directory standard. Let's put it this way. Directory standard. If you want to search on that, so please go into that. You can do it yourself, but the thing is we need to understand the difference between X.509 and X.500, so that might help you to answer question in the CISSP exam. So video is I think too long, but let us conclude our session. Thank you so much for watching this session. If you have any question or feedback, please share in the feedback section.